Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make an almond amaretto marble cake, okay? So what I got here, I got my Baker's Basic and my chocolate cake mix. So I put 1.5 cups in each bowl. I am going to do 1.5 cups of egg whites in each bowl. And then I'm gonna do 3/4 of a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt in each bowl. And I've already got this measured out. You guys can measure it out with a measuring cup if you want. Okay? And then what I'm gonna do is put I like a lot of almond flavor. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but I'm gonna put a tablespoon in each bowl, or almost a tablespoon, I ran out. And now what I'm gonna do is just mix the two. See that? You just need a fork. You don't even need to do anything fancy. I can smell the almonds. It smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna do the chocolate. And I love meal prepping, guys, because this is 12 servings right here, so I can just cut them up, freeze them. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna spray my pan. I'm gonna pour the chocolate one in first. This pan is an 11 by 17, okay? So don't ever do more than 3 cups at a time in the 11 by 17. That's why I did 1.5 cups of chocolate and 1.5 cups of the Baker's Basic, okay? There's that. And then now I'm gonna do the Baker's Basic on top. And I'm just gonna go like this. Okay, and I'll just take my fork and swirl it, and then that's how you get a marble cake. And then the last thing I'm going to do is get some of these almonds. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a few on here just to give it a little bit of texture and taste. And again, guys, this cake here, minus the little bit of almonds that I put on it, is 16 grams protein per serving, 3 net carbs per serving, 4 grams of fat per serving, and only 148 calories, and it fills you up. And you have a delicious, delicious dessert, okay? We're gonna bake this at 350 for 45 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the marble almond amaretto cake. Look how delicious it turned out, and it tastes delicious too. I tried it. So what I did is I cut it in 12 pieces because it's 12 servings, okay? And all I do, I'm gonna take a piece, I sprayed the bottom so that I can grab it. I got better utensils, but what you do is you just take a piece, you stick it in a paper towel. This is how you meal prep and freeze it, okay? The paper towel stops all the moisture from collecting, okay? The paper towel collects the moisture, and then you just put it in a Ziploc bag, leave it open. So this is what I do. I'm gonna do this to all these cakes, and I'm going to save them for myself. And so when I'm hungry, I can literally just grab and go. And I'm telling you, when you protect it like this and you put it in the paper towel and you put it in a Ziploc bag, what happens is it tastes just as good as it did when you first baked it. Okay, that's what's nice about these. They don't get old, they don't taste old, they stay fresh, and this is what you can do with them, okay? Just another way to meal prep. And you can do 4 of these in one oven if you want. So you can make 48 servings and it takes you 10 minutes to meal prep and about 45 minutes to cook in the oven, okay? And again, there's no stuff in here that's in a cake, okay? There's no sugar in here, there's no flour in here, there's no nothing. You're eating low carb, low calorie, low fat, high protein. And that's what you want to do if you want to try to lose weight and get healthy, okay? So come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, be sure to go to healthytreatsmarket.com. There is a category, meal prepping, under the recipes book, and that's where these are all going to be, okay, guys? Thanks for watching. God bless you.